The question before us today is simple, but yet very powerful on that. So, are our students truly future ready? To explain this important topic, we are privileged to have some of the finest education leaders from West Bengal and Odisha with us in this evening. Let's begin with this inspiring conversation. Thank you. Move to our next speaker. Our next speaker has been actively promoting experiential learning and student leadership. Please welcome Subrat Kumar Sarangi sir from Bhubaneswar. Sir, start, Subrat sir. Uh, am I
Yeah,
audible, Subrat sir? You are here?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I'm
Okay.
I'm I'm very much audible.
Okay,
I'm sure
ma'am.
I'm audible.
Very,
Good
very, very
evening. Good evening to
Very good
everybody.
evening, ma'am.
Yes.
And thanks once again for joining and giving us time. It was always nice talking to you. My first question that we are talking a lot about entrepreneurship, innovations, and all those things. Okay. How can school identify entrepreneurial talent among students at any early stage? Okay. So how the school should define this person has some extra potential to do that and tap on that part if you could share on in light something on that.
Well, the yeah, I'm sure I'm very much audible.
Yeah, 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 absolutely.
Yeah. So first thing we should all understand that today the student are using or what they are learning in the school, are they related to the business or solving their real life problems, or they are getting succeeded in the future or not? Or if
Mhm.
I make
Correct.
them make it very simple, are the
Mhm.
schools preparing students only
Mhm.
for jobs or to become an entrepreneurs or to an
Mhm.
innovators or maybe a
Mhm.
future leaders? So when we
Mhm.
talk about this in the school or in a classroom four wall, so technically what we think that classroom is a learning place in a school. So everybody knows this. But when we talk about the startup, the word is very now generic. Every school talks about it. Every college is talking about it. Every organization is talking about it. So any new business or any new innovative idea which is started by someone. I remember Tathagat sir, even
Mhm.
during the session, sir was telling that there are many entrepreneurs they are starting up, but they are failing. They are failing
Mhm.
because that's a
Correct.
question.
Correct.
The because is that many students are not having the proper knowledge or skills.
Mhm.
Sometimes they are lack of confidence. Sometimes they are the mindset what is needed for the tomorrow's world. They are missing out
Mhm.
this, so then they fail.
Mhm.
But if anyone is having all of this, I am pretty sure the startup or the entrepreneurship skills what the student is really holding will continue. Many
Mhm.
of them, what they think, businessman means it starts from Gujarati, Marwadi, Punjabi. That is the mindset in
Mhm.
different
That's a
different
mindset.
society. It's a mindset, but it is not like
Mhm.
that. Nowadays,
Mhm.
there are no barrier for that. Anybody can start up. Anybody can
Mhm.
start the skill. So the curiosity amongst the students, the curiosity among the school teachers. Now, in fact, teachers are also starting their startup. Cloud kitchen, very common.
Mhm.
So sitting at home,
Mhm.
school job, it's not that they wanted to earn money. It's a passion. It's their choice or they love to
Mhm.
this. So startup can happen at any age. So the student should
Mhm.
be future ready. So there the question lies that whether the student is scoring the highest marks or grade, or who is
Mhm.
the student who is identifying the problems. So
Mhm.
accordingly you can think that a school should identify the entrepreneurship talent. That is very important. So
Mhm.
what is happening,
Mhm.
many schools are creating a space or a center in
Mhm.
their own school, not restricting to commerce student, not restricting to
Mhm.
10, 11, 12 graders. They are starting this thing, the thought process from grade 7,
Mhm.
8. If the child is having that ideas of thinking, questioning, curiosity,
Mhm.
so that is actually helping the student for a child to create something, solve the problem, having the leadership quality, and taking the initiative. That's very important. Initiation is very important.
Mhm.
So in that case, what is happening? Every school is creating a space. As I said, there are some clubs, innovation club, challenge clubs, entrepreneurship club. Madam also
Mhm.
said about this financial literacy, digital. So these clubs are helping the student to choose their best. So that
Mhm.
mindset is helping the student right thing. So if they have that potential of entrepreneurship or the potential of innovations, then
Correct.
definitely they can go. And we do also this in our school also, not because that we wanted
Mhm.
to show to the parents, but also creating a
Mhm.
jill or creating an opportunity among the students, parents,
Mhm.
society, stakeholders, and even sometimes teachers get involved and they also start working with the students. So this is how the school should identify this thing
Mhm.
for the talented students.
So, what role do communication and collaboration play in future career perspective? So,
Sir, this is a very straightforward, and it is an open word for everyone. Communication
Mhm.
to anyone. Like now, you are asking me questions. The questions are clear to me, so you are communicating me properly. Example, second
Mhm.
example. We all are collaborated. We have almost 150 participants with panelists, experts. You are our
Mhm.
mediator.
Mhm.
So when there is a proper communication, proper collaboration, that helps the student. First thing is I can say student to
Mhm.
think and share their ideas. See, now I'm sharing my
Correct.
ideas. Now I'm sharing my knowledge. There's
Mhm.
nothing called right and wrong. Whether I speak, you speak, or the other panel members speak, this all are the thought process. So first of all, we
Mhm.
need to share those things, feelings. That feelings is not
Mhm.
the emotional feeling. The feeling is something emotional with IQ, intelligence. It's not only emotional that okay, I like you or I'm very much friendly with you. No, emotional with intelligence. So the
Mhm.
expressing the ideas are very important, but expressing the ideas for what? It is a problem or the problem is there in a solution, because we should be problem centric, not the people centric. Whatever the problem
Mhm.
we have with us in the school, sometimes we don't need to talk about the world globally. Let us first find out the problem in the school itself. Let us first find out the problem at home, and let us pitch those or speak those ideas, express this idea, and definitely that will help definitely a student to give his clear communication. But what I understand that when we talk about the collaboration, collaboration is a very
Mhm.
big statement, very big statement. Collaboration is
Mhm.
not only talking about collaborating with your peers. Collaboration means it's
Mhm.
diverse. Like you can go to any end, any end. You cannot constant or restrict to your school teachers or principals or friends or only to your
Mhm.
best peer. No, you should go to end. Like there is no end for that. So in that case, what happened? You should start looking out, digging out the problems, conflicts, and finally you should plan that I should achieve the goals like purpose. I think Sonia ma'am was
Correct.
talking about purpose. Purpose is very
Mhm.
important. So in any of
Mhm.
the workplaces, when these human skills are like we are human being, we are called as the
Mhm.
laborers. Like we are proud
Mhm.
laborers. Okay, we are educators, but this human skills should be converted into uh, in a very simple manner, technological expertise, or I can say
Mhm.
we should be tech savvy. So the
Correct.
problem should be communicated, collaborated, and finally we should take the help of the current technology which is needed. Then both the
Mhm.
things can collab with each other, and definitely the purpose can be solved. But for that,
Mhm.
expression of ideas is very, and ideas should be IQ based, not like anything randomly you speak. It should be properly judged. That is what I feel
Correct.
communication and collaboration. And there's a very
Yeah.
important 21st century skills also.
Yeah. So what inspires students to become a job creator or job, not a job seeker?
Everybody is job seeker. Everybody is job seeker, and everybody is a job creator. Like I'll tell you,
Yeah.
I'm a consultant. My past was in senior leadership position. My past was teacher. So
Mhm.
when I become a consultant, I'm also looking for a job, and I'm also giving a
Mhm.
job. But the
Correct.
overall idea, not only for the student, but anyone who thinks about this entrepreneurship thing, their mindset
Mhm.
should be very much real time. Means
Mhm.
they should be genuinely think about the problems, and then they
Mhm.
expose to the business kind of thing. And many schools and many students, they think about the incubation. Like I'm in Orissa, we have so
Mhm.
many incubation centers in Orissa. There is one famous organization, Kalinga University. They have their big
Correct.
incubation center. They give a lot of scope to the many colleges, many schools. They get a lot of funds from the government, from the abroad. So this incubation center should help the students for preparing, thinking, and in a very common generic sense, I can say there should be a mentors. Like this, the school should
Mhm.
help mentoring, mentor-mentee kind of thing. But in that case, I believe that we should create the value and the respect for the employment opportunities. So this student, when they are starting any business, they should think that I should help people. Already he is seeking job, but it is not a job. He is seeking for the business. So that business itself is his job. But he should make sure that how can I create a job for others directly or indirectly helping his periphery, or if at all it goes to the next level, then he can help globally also. So both the things are vice versa, and students should inspire, and they should give a positive impact to the society, so that what will happen,
Mhm.
the society gets benefit out of it. Not only the child or the school gets benefit, but the society should get benefit out of it. So job seeker and job giver is, I can say, both are well taker, I can say, for any kind of startup or any kind of thing we do.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your insight. Thanks for your valuable comments as well. It will really help our students to make them future ready as well. And thanks once again from Extrobotics point of view to join and accept our invitation, sir. Thank you. We Extrobotics, we are launching a program It is a national level championship, the Medhara 1.0 Bharat AI Challenge. Today, I'm proud to announce the official launch of Medhara 1.0 Bharat AI Challenge. This is not just another competition, it is a national movement to empower India's next generation innovators, IT creators, entrepreneurs, and change makers through Medhara 1.0.